everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's Aisha, and guess what's happening right now, guys? Finally the weather is changing. It's not like it's not summer yet, but it's finally changing. It's just 2 degrees, but it's still cold because wind chill rahi hai. Whenever there's wind, it's gonna be colder than it seems. So although there's like bright sun and it all looks good but like itni thand hai, so and itni bhi, so jacket and accessories are still required. But I was like, thoda sa to bande ko fayda uthana chahiye weather change hone ka aur walk ke liye jana chahiye. So I pushed myself today. I've been meaning to get more active anyways, because winter mein I really missed going on some long walks. So today is gonna be that day. I'm going for my first walk since the weather has changed. जब से snow start हुई थी मैं walks पे नहीं जा पा रही थी obviously. So I'm so excited, guys, and I'm taking you guys with me. Let's see how it goes for me. And my plan is to just go to Timmy's for a while as well. Walk myself to Timmy's. And then I'll work there for a while. कुछ digital काम pending है, and I wanted a change of scenery. हर वक्त घर में बैठ के काम करना is not sane and healthy. No matter what anyone says, you do need a change of scenery. So every now and then, if you're working from home, just take yourself outside to some coffee shop or anywhere nice. And I feel like it helps you with the energy flow as well. काम भी जल्दी और efficiently हो जाता है ऐसे. So that's what I believe. So that's what your girl is doing today. Actually, it's cold, but I'm glad there's some sun, because sun में cold just feels slightly better, even though there's like a lot of wind. Guys, this is my track. The reason I could actually go for a walk today is that the wind is not too heavy. There's not heavy wind. और अगर heavy wind जो कि काफ़ी दिनों से चल रही है, बहुत heavy, like it's insane. It's hard to stand for a minute outside if with that kind of wind. So आज वो नहीं है. So I'm really happy about that, because for a change, like, this weather was needed. I mean, it's not 100% there yet that you can just go out with like a very thin jacket. It's not like summer weather yet, but it's good enough to get yourself out there. जिन लोगों ने walk करनी होती है वो snow के अंदर भी कर रहे होते हैं. ये तो मैंने देख लिया यहाँ पे. People have been, I don't know, like I feel I have seen people run during snow, and like in our area. So it does happen. People do that. Not me though. So decent weather mein I would love, like, I love walks, long walks, but not like extreme weather mein. इतनी भी desperation नहीं है, Or normally summer में हम ये वाला route लेते हैं, and it's so nice, you see the pond there. So we really like to go there, although summer में bugs वगैरह होते हैं. But today I'm gonna take the other one, this route, just because I wanna go to Timmy's as well, and this feels better. But as you can see, the snow is no more, and if the grass is really trying to be green at this point. Look, थोड़ी snow बची है, because I told you कुछ दिन पहले snow हुई है, and although इतना sun है कि normally melt हो जाती है, but अभी तक थोड़ी पड़ी है, बिल्कुल थोड़ी. But look at these fields. Look at this field. It's almost green. It's gonna be such a pretty green when it's summer. तो never ending एक रास्ता नजर आ रहा है. But don't worry, we'll be there soon. The good news is you're almost there. Almost. I'll show you how close we are. So can you spot Timmy's? Almost there. Just have to cross the road and then I'll be at Timmy's. Almost there. इतना mixed weather है ना कि I cannot even decide any longer कि मुझे ठंड लग रही है, गर्मी लग रही है, क्या लग रहा है. And I cannot decide कि मुझे cold चाहिए, hot drink चाहिए, कि I want something cold. I cannot decide. I think अंदर जाके मैं decide करूँगी. Just because अब ज़रूरत नहीं है. I just got out of Timmy's. I am done with my work. So I thought, guys, honestly, like this was such a good idea. I'm so happy I pushed myself to go out today and get some work done. Because sometimes I told you, like change of pace and change of place and change of scenery, everything helps at times. So I think I got more work done today than I could have otherwise. So I'm so happy about that. And guys, गर्मी बहुत अंदर बैठ के there was a lot of sun. So I was even regretting wearing this sweater. But now that I'm out, I'm feeling fine. Jacket feels fine, but no toque needed anymore. To cross the road. Even the weather seems more pleasant. Because I feel like it's a good balance of wind and sun right now. So it feels quite pleasant right now. Now I am going back home. Because time ho gaya hai, kaam ho gaya hai, sab kuch ho gaya hai. Now I can just go back home and get some other work done. As I'm home, I'm gonna ring the bell because I do not have the keys. Let's go. It was such a good walk, guys. I'm so happy I did it. Assalamu alaikum. Back. भूख नहीं लगी आपको?
I'm hungry, yes.
Okay, guys, मैं जाने से पहले बड़ा चिकन बना के गई थी because I did not want to rush and I wanted to get some work done for real. So अब मैं खाना खिला सकती हूँ सबको. Quickly changed into this because walk के बाद गर्मी लग रही थी guys, honestly, especially घर में आके. So मैं change कर ली जल्दी से. अब मैं हमजा को खाना देने लगी हूँ. अब मैं खाने की तरफ आने वाली. खाने के बाद मैं नमाज पढ़ूंगी बस. फिर I think we do have some other work to get done. So उसके बाद hopefully वो होगा. And guys, taking a few minutes out for spiritual purposes, especially in this country, these countries where it's so easy to get lost, feel lost, you know, the bigger sense of things is like the best thing one can do. So I really like to take, you know, a few minutes out, and I consider those my pockets of peace. We just dropped off Wali at work, and actually we're going to get Wali a birthday gift because his birthday is literally like right now. It's coming really soon, so we'll just get him something, and I do have something else that I have to do, so we are going to go grab something. I hope we really find something because मैंने बिल्कुल last second तक छोड़ दिया. Actually I did get something, but I wanted to get something else as well. So अब हमजा की वजह से हम last second पे जा रहे हैं लेने के लिए. So hopefully we find something nice before it's too late. The weather shift is so real. सुबह walk करते हुए I told you how the weather was, but जब से घर आई उसके बाद से I cannot even wear this sweater any longer because इतनी गर्मी लगना शुरू हो गई है. और अभी भी summer fit ही सूट कर रहा है because I don't feel cold at all. I do have my jacket, but weather is so sketchy these days. समझ नहीं आती है कब क्या होना है. So guys, we're just about to go and get Wali some gift. Hopefully we find something nice. Luckily I got the stuff that I wanted. जो चाहिए था वो मिल गया है. Now actually we're celebrating tonight, so we have to arrange everything. I don't know when he's coming back from work, but hopefully like it stays a surprise because I've really laid the groundwork for it कि हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे. Don't worry, हम कुछ नहीं कर रहे. So let's see what happens. Gifts ले लिए, सब कुछ ले लिया है. Alhamdulillah, we got everything. Hopefully secretly रात को हम सब कुछ कर सकें, decor and everything. अब हम रुके हैं यहाँ convenience store पे because we wanted Prime, guys. Suddenly like ज़्यादा ही summer vibe feel होना शुरू हो गई है, so I feel dehydrated. So we thought Prime has electrolytes, so it might be a good idea. So we're just getting Prime. Thank you so much. This is my favorite flavor, guys. So far I've loved this one. Yeah, and Hamza ka blue favorite hai, which I feel like tastes more fake. वली की बर्थडे प्रेप चल रही है. And हमजा हेल्प कर रहा है with the balloons because मुझसे तो नहीं होता. But मैंने बहुत हेल्प की है guys. मैंने वो लेटर्स के लिए हेल्प की है हमजा को. और अभी वली घर पे नहीं है. He's like it's almost gonna be 12 soon. So hopefully this day is a surprise, which I think we can pull it off. We can pull it off, I think. Sadly, इनमें D missing है. Let's see. It's gonna be happy birthday. और हमने ये वाला लिया है and we're trying to figure out कि exactly ये stand खड़ा करके ऊपर balloons कैसे लगाने हैं. Far हमें sticks पे लगाने की समझ आ गई है. I'm gonna show you what it has become so far. It's not that bad. We are getting it there. Good job, guys. We have created something. रूम में बैठ के भी कर रहे हैं because पहले नीचे कर रहे थे, फिर I realized कि किसी भी टाइम वाली आ सकता है, so it's better कि मेरे रूम में जाके कर लें. Okay, guys, we are working. Yes, पुस हो गए guys. We tried. Birthday, it's birthday. It's okay. Gen Z वैसे भी हर चीज़ को छोटा करना पसंद करती है. Okay, so guys, we really tried, but पुस हो गए हैं. Guys, are you looking at these happy birthday headbands? Which one should I choose? I'm thinking like the one I'm wearing. I think with the overall theme, this goes the best with me. The rest everyone else can have. I even got him a birthday boy hat. I thought it would be fun. And then ye balloons ban gaye. And those are the gifts. So, and that's the birthday banner. बेचारा sad लग रहा है अभी तो. Happy birthday.
एक second. Happy birthday boy.
Okay, he was actually surprised because he just woke up. Wali, are you surprised? Are you surprised? Are you surprised, man? Nah, he's still sleepy, man. Happy birthday! Guys, guess what's happening right now? I think it's 1 a.m. And Wally just brought me outside because he's super excited about something he has to get from the mailbox. So that could not wait till morning. So we're just going. Right. Hey, I'm wearing your brother's shoes, please. Wait for me. Yeah. Guys, इसकी birthday थी तो आज मैं इसको favor कर रही हूँ. वरना रात के 1 बजे I don't think I would have come to the mailbox. Hurry.
आपने तो कोई पैकेज नहीं लिया था ना शिवाजी?
आया तो नहीं हुआ कुछ? Is it yours?
Bag is.
I think it's yours.
Yes, this is mine. And then